Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Glory Kings. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to click the subscribe button before you leave. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I create my low bun or low puff or whatever you may call it. This has been my most recent go-to hairstyle, which is great for me because I don't have to pull out my back hair. And since I have a bald spot at the back of my hair and the back of my hair seems to be breaking off, this is a really good protective style for me. Okay, so first off, I start off by spraying my hair with a little bit of water and also applying some oils on my fingers just to create slip when I take down the braids. And now I'm going to take down the braids. I've had these braids in for about 3 days or 4 days. I just found that it creates more stretch for me when I put my hair in braids. So I'm also going to spray a little bit of water and then start separating the curls. Would I call them curls or the braid strands? But yeah, you get what I mean. I'm just separating it just so I'm able to, have, hair to put in a puff. I'm not separating it too much and I'm not going to detangle my hair too much. So now I just make sure I make the parts. The middle part, you can make yours on the side, you can make yours wherever you want to, but I currently prefer the middle part. And then I'm going to take my white tooth comb. Okay, I'm going to spray some water, and this is just to make it easier for me to work with my hair and to avoid my hair from being very dry as I try to stretch it out. I'm not detangling it, I'm just removing the knots from the roots, if that makes any sense. So I'm just putting my comb in and stretching and pulling it through the hair a tiny bit and just doing that really quickly, like not stretching it out, not detangling it, just creating or removing the knots from the roots. So when I'm done with that and I feel it can lay smooth on my scalp, as you can see, I'm still doing that. That's just to remove the extra knots so my hair doesn't feel bucked up. It can stay flat on my hair. When I'm done with that, I'm just going to put my hair in a low bun. You can do it however you want to, however you make your low bun, but for me, this is how I do it. I just make sure everything is all packed at the back, and then I just put that in the bun or use my scrunchie to tie that up. So now that I'm done with this, I'm going to then just see what I can do with the back of my hair, and then I'm going to lay my edges. Guys, my edges laying skills are getting better. At least these days I lay my edges and they stay for almost the whole day, so that's great. But anyways, I'm going to tie my hair in a satin scarf. This is a very important step because this is what makes your hair lay down very flat, and I leave it in for about 10 to 5 minutes, and voila, this is what my hair looks like. This is my end result. This is what it looks like. It's very slick and laid down. I didn't add any gel on my hair. The only place I added gel was on my edges, and this is what my hair looks like. This is the final result. This is the puff. You can leave your hair like this if you want to, but I usually add extensions sometimes just to give it that vava room, you know what I mean? But anyways, if you guys would like to see the hair extensions I add on my low bun, let me know in the comment section below. I recorded a video and I'll probably put it up soon. Hi guys, so this is my final result. This is my easy low bun hairstyle. This is my go-to hairstyle. This has been my go-to hairstyle for like about 2 weeks now. I also did a sample like how to on my Instagram stories, and some of you guys told me to make a video on it. So this is the video on this hairstyle. Let me know what you guys think. I think in my next video I'm going to show you guys different ways you can style the low bun, but I just wanted to show you guys how to make the low bun, so stay tuned for my next video. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.